Sun, between Sun and Moon. Then 6, 7, 8 will go between Moon and Star. Okay. Again, for the elite parties, for team 1 and 2, okay, go below Moon. Then 3, 4, 5 will go between Sun and Moon. Then 6, 7, 8 will go between Star and Moon. Okay. And guys, prioritize capturing the tablets first before you fight. Okay? Prioritize capturing the tablets first. Okay? Oh, they have one guy, one whale guy.
Guys, if you're lost, if you don't have your parties, you can ask us in the guild chat so that we can direct you which party you belong to.
You belong with me. You belong with me. For some parties, prioritize also killing the mobs. Okay? Serval, there's I think 20 people in the moon. So be careful. I don't want to say be careful. I know you will delete them all. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. They have I think 2 to 3 whales also. Which is those whales are already 5-star red title. They have 3 whales also. Yeah, they have whales. We have orca.
We have a blue whale.
We have megalodon.
We have megalodon, yeah.
Hey, the dolphin is more scarier than sharks. Gout. As for the what do you call this? National Geographic. Let's have sex.
Guys, for the sub parties, please proceed to your respective positions.
Fuck you, Gout. Fuck you, Gout.
Shiva. Gout!
And guys, to all members, okay, most especially to those 1-star and 2-star red titles, guys, focus on your titles first, please. Since our enemy next week will be rainbow titles, so at least have some 3 to 4-star title by next week. Okay? Since if you have only 1-star title, then you will face 1-star rainbow title. They will have like at least 20% damage bonus on you. Okay? So even though they're weaks, you
Yeah,
will
they
get
still
one
have
shot.
a large bonus. Eh,
Uh-huh.
Run!
Go, 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 go. Just focus capturing the tablets first, then PvP inside the tablets. Guys, okay, this
Oh
is
my
fun. We
god.
have a lot of enemy. This is fun.
Sub
Let's
parties,
go.
go to your positions, please.
We have a lot of enemy. Let's go. Guys, battle inside the tablets, okay?
Yeah,
Battle
yeah, yeah.
inside. Only inside. Only inside. Only inside, inside. Okay, let's go. House, Moon, and Star. Doing good?
Yep.
Okay.
They're like flies falling on the ground.
I like this. So many enemies. I love this.
How's sub, guys?
Yeah, red killing them all. As you can see, red
Sub
there.
still peaceful. Okay, okay. No enemies in sub? Okay, okay. Don't leave your positions, guys, to scout. Just stay on your position.
Wait, 3 people die already. Who's that 3 people? Oh, that.
It's me.
Big.
Hoy, battle inside the tablets. Lyra, Ikur, Astra.
Lira, Lira, Lira. Kurot ka mamaya. Kurot ka mamaya. Lira. Vino shouting at you. Oh. Oh. Mm. Mm.
No, he might
Okay,
tonight.
Chan.
Astra, limit your circle to 12
Yeah,
or
yeah,
11.
Lira. Show him who's the boss. 17 minutes of parties, the mobs will spawn. So go to corners.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's for sub. That's for
Sub
sub.
party. Yeah. That's for sub.
Me, Bobo.
No, you're not Bobo, you're tanga. See guys, next week we will be facing the top guilds. Ryuk Dai, kick Ryuk.
Kick you.
Zepha, be ready. I will use you on Saturday.
Illusion, that sounds so wrong.
It's double meaning.
Shiba. That sounded so weird.
See? We use all the strongest member.
We use all the strongest.
See,
Ikis, go back to your tablet.
only 3 deaths. Okay. Team 2, go lower part, the mobs. Then team 3 go upper left. Then team 6 go upper right. Team 2. Okay? Since as for Cloud, we have mobs below. Then for team what do you call this? Team 5 and 6 or 4-5, okay? Just always check the moon. Okay? 4-5, then 7-8, always check the tablets. Okay? If someone is capturing the tablet, go there, okay? Then go back after. Did they all quit? Maybe they left already. They go to sub, I guess. Yeah, they go to sub.
Okay, we cleared the mobs already.
Go.
Go back to your tablets, guys. Sub team, I think you can go to the center now.
They on sub
team.
now. They on sub.
Sub, go to the center, everybody.
Yeah, everyone go to center since the Bapo will spawn at 12.
Yeah, go to the center now.
Rende, you want some PvP, right? Go sub. Only Rende, guys. Rende is, since
Send
we
this
don't
the
have any.
GL.
Yeah. Rende checking all the
The
enemies.
girls.
The girls. AA Iris is online. Yeah. Guys, we will see who's these three people died later. I will announce it later. Yeah, all got 03.
003.
Mobs at sub 1 minute and 30 seconds. Camping at enemy spawn. Who? Abigail, who? Who?
Take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot then send it to us.
Yeah.
You, Abigail, send it to us. Send it to us. Tell them. Scold them. Shout out them. You can open your mic then tell their names. Sub parties, 50 seconds. Go at the middle. Go at the middle part. So, Fuga and Sibusil. Hello. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, both of you. Yeah. That's all. Okay, someone PM me. Orpheus, alas, doing just PvP, not following commands. Who's Orpheus and alas? I cannot bet. Okay, ready, be ready, be ready. Be ready, be ready. Okay, for sub parties you can do PvP now. Since the morale is already full, you can do PvP. For sub parties, go. If you want to respawn, then respawn. Go party. The morale is already full. They will not get points anymore. Go. The morale is very important to us. Because it gives buffs to elite members. Also in sub parties. Okay. Okay. Ryuk, maybe you will find your true love in sub party. Ryuk. Pizza said yes. Okay, wait. 10:15 all parties at the elite party go Baron. 10:15. Check the timer. 10:15. 10:15. 10:15. Go now. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, good job. Good job. Only 3 deaths. So the first one who died, 2 times PED. 1 time Mami Poco. That's all. The rest, good job. So Gout didn't die. I thought you're the one who died, Gout. Thank you all. We have better performance today. Yeah, we have only 3 deaths.
Don't forget to screenshot your attendance, guys. Attendance.
Thank you to my